Hey guys, you can call me Crafty Girl because this is my first ever time making a video. So make sure to like and subscribe. Today I'm going to be making some normal slime if you don't know how to make it. First of all, you're going to need some glue. In this case, I'm going to be using Elmer's. Next, you're going to be needing your activator. So I'm getting contact lens multi-purpose solution or contact lens solution and some baking soda. And to soften it up, you can use some lotion. And this is optional, but we can add food coloring. So I like to add food coloring. It's better, and the more food coloring you add, the more colorful it is, should I say. Let's get started. First of all, you should get your glue and dump it in. Okay, and it matters of how much glue you put in. So if you put like this much, then that's the amount of slime you're gonna get. Next, you're gonna need to put your color. So I'm going to be putting in, let's do yellow. Now I like to add 3 drops. And I'm gonna be using some Johnson's lotion. Okay, that's good. Let's get that. Ooh. And you can mix it up, and you start mixing it up. As you can see, the more food coloring, the more yellower it is. If I added less, it wouldn't be too yellow. It would be close to white. Next you're gonna need is your activator. So first add some baking soda. And there are many different kinds of activator, but I'm gonna be using this kind. You mix it around. And then you're gonna use your multi-purpose solution or contact lens solution. I don't really like to pour it in like too much, like squeezing it, because that might not be enough. That might overactivate my slime. So if it doesn't really activate, you should add more. I guess I just squeezed it. As you can see, it's starting to form. It's sticking to the bowl, so yeah, it's starting to mix. It's getting thicker and thicker. So it's so gooey. So you should add more. Now it's thickening up. As for me, I like to make it a little bit underactivated, which is like it's sticky a little bit, but you can knead it over, but I'll just make some normal slime today. So when it starts getting off of the bowl like this, that's when you are getting the good consistency. So keep on adding some activator until you get your good consistency. As for me, I'm going to be using this kind. So it's pretty sticky, but I actually like it because I like this underactivating it. But if you activate it even more, it's not going to be sticky. But I like to make it a little sticky. So it's really fun to play with, and it's really fun to make. So it would be nice, it would be great. And comment down below if you have making slime, or if you had owned a slime before. And let's see if it pokes. Wow, that's good. There's also some slime bubbles, but I don't really get to do that part. And so see you guys later. Bye.